Let's talk about the most basic element in the sound system, the channel. Each channel is a selection of buttons. There's a select button up the top, a cue button, a series of indicator lights, an on/mute button, a name and colour, and a slider. Each channel controls its own instrument. Turn on and off a channel, press this button. When it lights up, the channel is on and sound is coming through from the stage to the speakers. The volume of that sound to the main speakers is controlled by this slider. Moving it up puts volume through the speakers. The higher it goes, the more volume will go through. Right down at 0, almost no volume will come through. It'll be almost entirely silent. Still looking at our single channel, how do we select that channel to change its properties? That's where these buttons at the top come in. We know already this is our mute. That's our indicator lights to show how much volume is coming through the channel. Next we need the select button. If we push the select button, the channel lights up green, showing that any further actions we take are specific to this channel. Next, if we want to hear more specifically what is happening in the channel, we can press this cue button. This puts any sound from the channel through the headphones, which you can then listen to. If you need to hear a different volume on the headphone, the volume control for the headphones is this knob here. Once we have selected the channel, are listening to it, have it unmuted, and have the volume up, we may still have it too loud or too soft. In order to control this further, we control what's called the gain or the sensitivity of the microphone. This is controlled once the channel has been selected. It's controlled by this knob here. You can see on the screen the channel is selected. Whichever button I press selects the channel. So we want to make sure that the channel we're interested in is selected, and then double tap this top icon on the screen twice. That will then show this screen. This is an indicator of how sensitive the microphone is. Adjusting this changes the input gain. Most microphones should be around between 30 and 40, and most instruments tend to be around the 10 to 15 range. These are of course general values. Your goal is to have this bar in the middle light up green, and these bars on the side, especially the one that will light up red, not light up very often.